Hi everyone, Brad here from Paytaker, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to export your journal entries from your Paytaker company into your QuickBooks desktop company. So to do that, first of all, we need to have pay stubs from which we want to generate the journal entries. So first of all, let's pay one of our employees. So we go to run payroll and we'll just make an unscheduled payment, and we'll do it for, let's say, the full month of April. Pay them at the end of April and add myself to be paid. And go ahead and calculate the payments. And now we see the amounts have come in here. I only have 5.5 hours worked for the month. That doesn't seem like enough, so let's bump it up to 100 and recalculate the deductions. And we see the gross, income tax, EI, CPP, all looks to be right here. So we'll go ahead and create the payment. And now we have this payment available to us here. We can see the pay stub if we want. See all the amounts in here. And for now creating the journal entry from that pay stub, we have that pay stub selected. So we create journal entries for selected pay stubs. And we have this drop down here. We want to select QuickBooks Desktop. Click Next Step. And now we have the configuration for those journal entries. By default, all the journal entries are broken out so that the net pay for each employee is separate and each of the deductions is a separate journal entry. So here we see the net pay, income tax, CPP, and EI. If instead of having all those separate journal entries, we just want to have one big journal entry for the credit and one big journal entry for the debit for all of the payment, we can select this, combine all payments in a single journal entry, and we see it's all been combined here. But we'll just keep that separate. We can also combine employee wages and combine all the government deductions, so rather than having income tax, CPP, and EI, just have this one government deductions with everything in it. But we'll just keep that separate for now. Click. There we go. And so we'll keep it all separate here, and we'll leave all of these accounts as the defaults that have been set by Paytaker. So the descriptions, you can customize those, as they'll show up in the journal entries, and then you can customize which account each of the journal entries is going to show up in. But they've been set to some pretty sensible defaults by the Paytaker system, so we'll just leave them as is and create the journal entries. So now we have this journal entries file that's downloading onto our computer here, and we want to follow these steps to import those journal entries into our QuickBooks company. So let's go to our QuickBooks company here, and we can see we have these accounts available to us, but as of right now, I'll just show you guys there's nothing in that account yet. So let's go and import those journal entries here. We're going to go File, Utilities, Import IIF files. And then we want to click on this journal entries.if and open that, and data's been imported. And as you can see here, all the amounts now show up as journal entries in our QuickBooks company in the account that we had set up for it to be sent to. So this is the Paytaker payroll liabilities, and similarly we'll see all the same amounts but opposite on the Paytaker payroll expenses. It's not showing up here because I had it set to pay on April 30th. So if we switch to May 1st, and refresh it, there's all the amounts on the payroll expenses here.